Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional with extra Sudokus or puzzles in today's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, July the 22nd, 2021. We have two puzzles left, a binary puzzle and a tectonic one. Yes, I only do 4 out of 7, otherwise it's too much for me to solve and upload them. I need the same time for uploading to YouTube. So only 4 of them. If there are any requests, just leave a comment. And if I have the time, I will solve your requests. Yes. But this binary puzzle, I will continue, will be number 3136. All right, 3136. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. All right, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 1's comes in O. Double one, here no, there no. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Here we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Then I need to compare. Yes, this row, column, and the last column. 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Finish in 3 minutes. Wow, very fast. Yes, for solving this binary. So it's an easy one. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Just go below and you find the link. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a few seconds with the last puzzle, a tectonic one with 4, no, not with 4 stars, with 1 star. Tectonic with 1 star. Publisher, we want the tectonics back with 4 stars. Yes, I like them. I really do. Anyway, thank you and see you later. Bye bye for now.